Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable spell check in Google Docs using xFanatical Safe Doc. While spell check is a helpful feature for many users, it can be distracting for students who may rely too heavily on automated suggestions, leading to a lack of attention to their writing process and critical thinking skills. By disabling spell check, educators can encourage students to engage more thoughtfully with their writing, improving their spelling and grammar through practice rather than dependence on technology. That's where xFanatical's Safe Doc comes for the rescue. Safe Doc enables administrators to turn off spell check across Google Docs, ensuring that students have the freedom to explore their writing without the interference of automatic corrections. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Doc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Docs spell check policy, you can disable spell check in Google Docs easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.